Hi, my name is Mohitha, and today I will be walking you through on how to use Assistiv's Reports Page, which is on the Admin and Instructor view. You can access the Reports page by either scrolling down on the home page, going under Quick Actions and clicking on View Reports, or you can go to the side panel, go under Reports and Insights, and click on Overview. On the Reports page, you can track student performance, learning progress, and engagement, either for an individual student or across a group. You can start by filtering by group, course, and student. Additionally, you can choose between two reporting options: Stat View, which gives you a more detailed analysis, or Summary View, which gives you a quick overview. In the Stat View, selecting an individual student gives you a detailed picture of their performance. At the top, you can quickly review their average quiz score, content progress, total logins, and highest quiz score. The quiz performance section shows results for each quiz, including scores and the number of attempts. You can also switch between the student's highest and latest scores. Below, Learning Content Progress shows which documents have been completed and which videos have been viewed. Right next to that, the Engagement Overview section provides additional context, including days that the student was active in the past 30 days, total time spent on this course, average session duration, and when the student was last active. These insights are especially useful when a student may need additional support. For example, a student may have completed all of the course content and logged in regularly, but still have low assessment scores. The Areas Needing Attention section at the bottom of this page highlights these signals and provides quick actions to investigate further. From here, you can select Review Quiz to a student's assessment in detail. You can review each question, move between correct and incorrect responses, and compare different attempts when available. For responses that require closer review, the AI suggestion tool can analyze the student's answer and provide a suggested evaluation along with the confidence level. You can also view the rationale behind the suggestion before making the final decision. The reviewer can then mark the response as correct or incorrect and add notes when needed. Going back to the Areas Needing Attention section, there are two more notable features. You can go to Content Progress and access the number of attempts and scores for quizzes, if and when documents were viewed, same for videos, and assignment submissions. Additionally, there is a chart at the bottom that shows when and how many times a day students have logged in to access this course. Finally, there is a feature that allows you to check login activity for the student and either use a pre-written reminder or write your own to send directly to your student's inbox to remind them to log in and get back on track for their course. To analyze performance across the entire group, select All Students. The quiz performance now allows you to compare students' results for a selected quiz and to switch between first attempt, highest, and latest scores. You can also quickly identify students who have not yet completed an assessment and those who have. The group report also shows document and video completion rates. Below this, the login activity chart helps you understand engagement over the past 30 days and compare the selected group's activity with activity across all groups. For a more concise view, you can switch to Summary View. For an individual student, you can quickly see overall progress, quiz averages, videos watched, and documents read. You can then review quiz results by course and see completion details for individual videos and documents. When viewing all students, summary view provides a simple comparison across the group. You can select a specific quiz, video, or document to see grades and completion status for each student. With the stat view and the summary view, the reports page helps you move easily from a quick progress check to detailed performance analysis, making it easier to understand student engagement, identify areas that need attention, and take informed action. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you found this helpful.